The IT teams are here to provide the best support to our games, to make sure the players benefit from a great experience when they play the game.
Infrastructure is the basis of everything. We're providing the hardware, so without us, if I can test that, nobody works.
Nous, le IT, on monte des infrastructures online pour les jeux, pour supporter leurs outils, supporter leurs features le jour du lancement.
When people think of IT, they think of my printer's not working, or I can't send an email, or I deleted this button from my toolbar. When we're talking, online IT, we're talking about the systems that allow a game to work. The scope of what you're working on doesn't affect an individual, it affects tens, thousands, or hundreds of thousands of people.
C'est les premières heures d'un lancement où là, on a des équipes qui sont sur place 24 heures sur 24 pour être en mesure de réagir rapidement si jamais quelque chose empêche l'utilisateur final de jouer au jeu.
My role as a data scientist is really to focus on the customers, try to understand them, to create value based on this data. It corresponds to gaming activities of more than 100 million users.
Now we're not just working on the architectures of how we adapt to the needs of the games, but we're now innovating, we're creating tools within there. So it's not just consuming what exists and trying to adapt it to our needs. If a tool doesn't do it, we can build it.
The mission of my team is first to partner with different business teams. We'll be able to design solutions or to deploy tools. This is really a global team in terms of culture and expertise.
Machine learning algorithms help us to provide the teams with some scores or some descriptive analysis that will help them solve the problem.
One of the tools that we have is an autonomous deployment system. So a production team can go in and actually say, I want 25 of these servers in this cloud, or I want 100 servers on that continent in this data center. They can go directly to it, and rather than taking 2, 3, 4 weeks to get something done, they can now get it done in minutes or hours.
The team worldwide administrates over 5,000 VMs, over close to 1,000 physical machines. We have 3 main data centers across the globe. Most of the games are now produced not by only one, but several studios. We as infrastructure have the responsibility to make sure that the network links between the studios are actually reliable.
We have the freedom to propose in our projects what we think is best. We use the latest technologies in order to ensure that everything that we build works great in terms of performance and security.
In terms of data visualization, we are using D3. We are also using Spark on top of our Hadoop cluster to try to do some parallel computing.
The data center was one of my first projects actually. When I got here, that's the funny thing. They say, okay, you're here, you've been here 3 months, here's some millions of dollars and build us a data center. And you're like, what? Okay, but every day something is different. And that's really what drives me to get so many different challenges with so many great people. That's really interesting.